Vertical gardens are a creative and space-efficient way to bring greenery into homes, patios, and even small urban spaces. With a little ingenuity, anyone can transform a blank wall into a lush, living tapestry. Among the most popular and accessible options for building vertical gardens are PVC pipe planters and wooden pallet planters. Each approach offers its own set of advantages, challenges, and possibilities, making it easier than ever to customize your vertical garden to suit your environment and personal style. PVC pipe planters are favored for their versatility and modern look. PVC pipes are lightweight, durable, and resistant to moisture, making them an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor gardens. To begin, select pipes with a diameter that suits your chosen plants. Larger pipes allow for more root space and greater plant variety. Cut the pipes into sections, then drill holes along the length for planting pockets. These pockets will cradle your seedlings or cuttings, allowing their roots to anchor within the pipe. Once prepared, the pipes can be mounted vertically on a wall or hung from a sturdy support, creating a column of greenery. One of the biggest advantages of PVC pipe planters is their adaptability. You can arrange the pipes in patterns, stack them for added visual interest, or paint them in colors that complement your decor. Watering is simple. Pour water into the top pipe, and gravity will help it trickle down through the system, nourishing each plant along the way. However, it's important to ensure proper drainage. Drill small holes at the bottom of each planting pocket to prevent water from pooling and roots from rotting. With careful planning, a PVC pipe vertical garden can support herbs, succulents, small vegetables, or even trailing flowers. On the other hand, wooden pallet planters offer a rustic and eco-friendly alternative. Repurposing wooden pallets not only reduces waste, but also brings warmth and natural charm to your space. To create a pallet planter, begin by selecting a clean, sturdy pallet. Sand it down to remove splinters and rough edges, and treat the wood with a sealant if you plan to install it outdoors, protecting it from moisture and insects. Next, attach landscape fabric or plastic sheeting to the back and sides of the pallet, forming pockets that will hold soil and plants. Once your pallet is prepped, fill each pocket with potting soil and arrange your chosen plants. Vertical pallet gardens are ideal for growing shallow-rooted varieties like lettuce, spinach, strawberries, or small annual flowers. The open slats allow for good airflow, which helps prevent mold and mildew. Pallet planters can be leaned against a wall or securely mounted, instantly transforming a plain surface into a vibrant living wall. Maintaining a vertical garden, whether from PVC pipes or wooden pallets, does require some care. Regular watering, monitoring for pests, and occasional fertilizing will keep your plants healthy and thriving. Both types of planters can be customized with drip irrigation systems or self-watering reservoirs, making maintenance even easier. Vertical gardens offer more than just beauty. They can improve air quality, provide fresh herbs and vegetables, and even reduce urban heat by covering walls with living foliage. They're also an excellent solution for gardeners with limited floor space, allowing you to grow upward rather than outward. In the end, choosing between PVC pipe and wooden pallet planters comes down to your aesthetic preference, available materials, and intended use. PVC pipes lend a sleek, contemporary feel and are particularly suited for moisture-prone environments, while wooden pallets evoke a sense of reclaimed charm and sustainability. Whichever method you choose, the possibilities for creativity are endless. With a few basic tools and a bit of imagination, you can create a vertical garden that not only enhances your surroundings, but brings the joy of gardening to any space, no matter how small.